Got a Chevy Equinox here. This is a 2015. Had some damage to the front end. These headlight assemblies were completely replaced, and now they need to be aimed. What you're going to want to do is remove the plastic panel that sits here. It just has some push tabs to hold it in place and a couple screws. Remove that plastic, and then you can see the back of the headlight assembly right in here. And in back of that assembly, there is a gray bolt. It's all by itself. It's right there. You see in this image. It's a 10 millimeter. If you have a box end wrench like this that has a ratchet in it, it'll make your job a lot easier because you have to turn the bolt a lot to make the headlight move. Now I'm aiming it at this wall here, and I'm going to show you how to increase or lift up the headlight. You look at that doorknob and see where the light is shining. And as I start to ratchet it, that light will start to come up towards that doorknob. And now if I go back and I loosen the bolt, that's going to lower the light. But you see it moves very slightly. It's almost like a quarter inch for every time I turn the ratchet. And that's how it does it. So you're going to want to set your aim maybe in a garage somewhere like this at first. Then go outside to a flat surface where you can get about 25 feet of distance. And then go ahead and aim those headlights, tune them up, tune them down to where you need them so that they're safe and they're not blinding anybody and that you can see and they're not aiming in the dirt. Hey, I hope the video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.